Hello everyone and welcome to my project for the Bridlington briefing. It's called the Vending Machine, which was developed by me, and it's basically a special vending machine which I will explain here and more later on the prototype part. If you press here, you come to the map section. Everything here is linked according to what you can read. So, for example, if you press on title, I come back to the title, but that's pretty obvious, isn't it? Press next, back, it does exactly what it says. And here is the brief. It says what the brief was about and how I approached it. And if you want, you can just pause it and read it if you're interested. This is a research page. I was very inspired by Japanese vending machines because they're very colorful and very eye-catching, if you can see. And I think it would just attract people more than a normal gray vending machine at the O-board or something would do. My idea was to add little water drops in blue, not in black, like it's here, to add to the vending machine. And the second part of my research contains a little sketch that I did. It's basically just a vending machine and what it will do, and that the water drops have to be different, otherwise it will be boring in my opinion. And the idea for the water drops I got from that anime called JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. These are the little creatures that I'm referring to. Obviously mine are not going to look that creepy. Mine are going to be friendly like this little one. Yeah, and there was also like a video on YouTube that I watched where it explained how vending machines work. I couldn't link it here, but if you're really interested, you can just type that in. You can watch it for yourself. It's pretty good. Next is users. I thought that children, families, and teenagers would mostly use the vending machines out of all observation. And here's a little scenario. I'm just going to skip it right now. You can always pause the video to read it yourself. These are two of the 4 personas that I created. It's Tom and Carrie. They're both parents to James and Nancy, and for each I added a little like chart of what they need. For example, energy, fun, and thirst, hunger, and a little quote. And for example, here what they do, how old they are, just like very basic things. Now we come to the prototype. Again, I am going to skip it because I explained it in the written form. You can just pause the video and read it for yourself. Same for this page. This is the prototype design that I thought of. Here we have the vending machine. What you can see is a screen with the little water drops inside. Behind, obviously, there's the real vending machine. And I thought that he would just say something like, don't use this machine to do those mind games that when someone tells you not to do something, you want to do it even more. And here's where I wanted it to be placed. So I thought it would be very nice to be located next to a place where there's a lot of people, like here. And this is the technology, finally. It's explained right here. I'm going to skip it again. Be sure to pause the video if you like, anytime, if I'm too fast. And this is some screenshots from the video that I referred to earlier. Just again explaining how the coin is being scanned to identify the coin, where it goes to the columns. If it's a false coin, it goes through here to the change section. Otherwise, it would just go back in here to collect the money. And these are the infrared beams that scan the product if it's falling down. If not, then the machine knows the product got stuck and it's going to rotate the coil again. If you press here, you go back to the beginning, to the title screen. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching.